Hey there, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're continuing on with our mother sauces video series, and we're going to do a velouté. This is another one we're going to do. So we made the roux, and we're going to use the blonde roux in this one. We did real simple. You make a velouté, and it can be either whatever kind of light stock you've got. It's typically a chicken or a vegetable or a fish stock. It could be a white veal stock, but that's not very usual. We're going to do a chicken stock today, so we're just going to go ahead and roll and get started. So we've got about a quart of our chicken stock, and as that's heating up, we're going to go ahead and add some of the aromatics in there. And we've got a little bit of some shallots and a little bit of thyme. And that's about all we're going to need to get this started. And like I said, we're going to let that come up, and then we've got our blonde roux from that, and let that go. What are some things you can do from your veloutés? These make great sauces. Your classic sauces, but your Poulette sauce, which is basically just a chicken sauce. You can add a little cream into one of those and make like a Suprême sauce, or even better than adding the cream in, you take that creme fraiche that you made. Once this is all set and done, you finish it with some of that creme fraiche. That is beautiful. Put that over a piece of grilled chicken or roast chicken. Like I said, you make your fish sauce up and you throw a little mushrooms and sherry in there, and you've got a beautiful Normandy sauce. So tons of things you can do with this. And again, one of the classic sauces, so we're just gonna get started. And again, we're gonna go with our blonde roux, but once this comes up, because again, we're doing that hot and cold on the roux. Hot stock, cold roux, hot roux, cold stock. So we're gonna let this get going. All right, now we got our stock boiling. Stock and aromatics boiling, and we're gonna add in some of that blonde roux. Like I said, we're going with that 3, 4, 5, 6 thing, but we're gonna use about, mash that up and get it all whisked in really nice so we don't have any lumps. But this will be, like I said, this would be great for a, like a Poulette sauce or what, something like that, or you want to use this in your chicken, or you're making chicken and dumplings, but this is the classic version of the velouté. So we are making that. And again, we're gonna get that all combined, and once we've got the roux incorporated in the stock, we can go back and we'll just start mixing it, and we're gonna let that simmer for about 15, 20 minutes just to let that cook all that roux flavor out, and that way it's not too, so you don't get any of that raw, floury taste. So we're gonna just let that simmer a little bit, and keep checking with a little salt and pepper in there. And then we'll get that strained out once it's cooked. So. All right, I think we've got this about where we're looking. Look at that, beautiful. It's got a nice, where it's coating the back of that spoon. We've cooked all that raw flour out, and so we're just gonna strain it through. So here we go. Oh, look at that. Perfect little velouté there. And again, we're going to take our little ladle and just push the rest of that through, so all we have to get all the flavors out of that. And there we go, look at that. A perfect velouté for you. Like I said, Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this and hope you can use it. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and as always, enjoy.